Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hashim and today's video I'm going to show you how I do fit the piston inside the engine cylinder without damaging the ring. This way I do a very long time ago. So please like, subscribe and comment and tell me something in comment and share the video with your friend so they know me and they watch my content. I hope the viewers who didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. This will help me a lot and make me more exciting to make a lot of video like this. Okay, thanks. Let's go to the video. Watch, enjoy and learn. Remember, safety first always. Good luck. Timing chain for this engine video is coming soon. Very important to put oil around and on a crankshaft too. You see, I put a lot of oil on a ring and I turn the ring everywhere. I put more to make sure the oil come around all the ring. You see this mark here, the arrow is going to the front of cylinder 1. I like to hold the piston with the screwdriver or Phillips. See the first ring I put the open on the top and the other ring the open on the side and the ring number 3 the open on the other side to make seals very good. I make sure always the tool is clean, no damage, and I put oil and I make it circle like this. So when I put the piston inside the cylinder, see, look what I'm doing now. I close a little bit, not all the way. I make sure the ring fit around all the piston clearly and easily. See, it's fitting around, because if not fitting around it will break. So this way I know it will not break, God willing, inshallah. I tie like 95% and I'm going to hit with the hammer, small hammer, a little bit to make sure the tool of the piston and the cylinder head, the cylinder, they come together and close, so the ring will slide inside the cylinder very easy without touching anywhere. Now I tied 100%. So I go, see, I hit with the hammer on a tool to make sure the tool just touching the cylinder all the way. Now I'm making sure here the bearing and the rod will go straight away to the crankshaft before I hit. So I like to, when everything right from one hit, see, I'm making sure now it's right. One hit, go in, that's it, finish. See how? Very easy if you make sure everything set properly. Just making sure it's going in the right way to reach the crankshaft. Just here making sure the bearing is in place. Oil, very important. Look, I'm telling you something. I put, see the mark here, the number. Yeah, first when I took off the piston and the rod, I put mark on the cylinder here just to make sure which way the rod is going, so I know the arrow in the front of the piston on the top of the piston, the arrow going to the front of the engine, so I can know from this way and the other way. You mark as you like, because everyone mark different way, you know, but always the piston arrow going to the front of the engine. Now I tie like 80% and I hit right and left, make sure the rod is plain, going this way and this way, and I turn the crank, and after that with the tool I put the number, how much I tie the bolt, and I tie and it's it. That's all. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and tell me something in comment, yeah? And share the video with your friends so they can watch the video and enjoy and learn something, okay? Good night.